Welcome back to my channel. I'm Bharti Puri this side, and today in this video I will be reviewing this baby white here. So this is the Corioliss hot styling hairbrush, and this one is the travel size version. So it comes in two different sizes. One is the big size version, which costs like 4,000 something rupees, and this one, the small size, which is like great for traveling, comes for 1,050 rupees. On Nykaa website. So when I saw the price and I saw some reviews, the reviews were also very positive. So I ended up buying this, and I realized that there's not that many reviews online on YouTube as well regarding this product. So I thought, why not, review it for you guys. Yeah. So basically I purchased this. It's like on discount for 1,050 rupees, and it has this great feature over here, which you can turn 360 like this. So that really comes in handy when you're styling, so that you are not really troubled by the wire. Yeah, and it has a very nice long cord, like a very nice long cord, and it's not that heavy, but it is definitely sturdy. Like the weight is like not too heavy, so I like it. I've used this couple of times, so I'll just show you how I like to use this. Yeah, and comes with an instruction manual. So the instruction manual says that you're not supposed to use this when your hair is wet. So make sure that your hair is dry in order to use this. So over here it's mentioned that it's a straightening brush, but in reality using this is not really going to get you a poker straight hair. In case you are searching for a hairstyling tool which is going to give you poker straight hair, I would suggest you to invest in a good hair straightener which has those iron plates in order for you to like straighten your hair to give yourself a poker straight hair look. But something like this is something which is going to disappoint you in case you're searching for that kind of result. This is more of making your hair look more sleeker but not totally straight. That's all I wanted to like clarify and give you a warning regarding this product. And another thing, as you can see, my hair is not super curly. This is my natural hair texture, so it's kind of silky, but it's wavy, and there's a little bit of frizziness going on because I let it naturally air dry. So this is how my natural hair looks. But in case your hair is super curly, you have that super hair curly texture, then this is going to be more time consuming for you if you have super curly hair. So if you have super curly hair and you want to achieve that poker straight hair, then this brush is not really meant for that. So in case you have super curly hair and you want to achieve that straight hair look, then I would suggest you to invest in a hair straightener, which is the ironing straighteners out there in the market. There are many in different budgets from different brands which are like good quality, which is like comes in very good affordable price range these days. So you guys can check that out in case you're looking for super poker straight hair. In my case, I am not crazy for super straight poker hair, but I like something which is going to help my hair look more groomed and help me eliminate the frizziness look which is happening right now over here if you look very closely. And now I'm going to just section my hair. So I will section my hair from here first, doing like this, and I'm just going to separate this and make it like a small mini bun, and then I will use this over here just to lock it down. So right now over here it's like you can see, and then again I'm going to like section this into half like this. You see, like this, it's like sectioned and it's divided, and then here again I'm going to make it a curl, and then again I'm going to put a hair clip. So over here take a hair clip. So now you can see I've sectioned my hair. So this is the hair that I'm going to be working with first, and again I'm going to divide it. So this way, once I'm dividing this, what this like sectioning really does is helps you to save time and at the same time target all parts of your hair very nicely so that you properly style it, and that way it's going to look like your hair has been done by a professional hairstylist, even though you've done it yourself at home. So yeah, and now I've connected to the power socket. Here it has the power button, and I'll just do this, and you can see there's a light over here. That means it's on. I've heard that the bigger size version, it has all the temperature control. You can control the temperatures, but here there's only button for on and off option, and that's it. There's no temperature control option button with the travel size small one. And as you can see, the bristles over here, they are rubberized over here. It's plastic and it's rubberized, and even though you do like this, the hot plates does not really touch that much, so your hair still, like the skull still remains safe from the heat. Yeah, now I think it's hot enough, so I'm just leaving this on while I'm working on section by section of my hair. So I've taken this much, as you can see, this much only. Make sure you section it, that means the hairstyling tool will work well. So as you can see, I'm going very slowly, I'm not going fast, because I want the heat to touch the whole you know, to work on all area of my hair, or however you want to say it. So I can feel that the hair is also getting hot, but as you can see, it's not poker straight, but the frizziness is like, it's looking more groomed. But make sure you use it on dry hair. Yeah. And then just putting the hair back with the one which I worked on, and then this one I'm gonna work here as well. So this is my natural dried hair, and now I'm using this again like this, slowly that it works on all the whole section of my hair. See, slowly. And I like to turn like this to have like curls at the back, as you can see. It's like curls like this. Again, like this, slowly. Like this. I do this, I turn like that. The technique, so that I have a little bit of curl at the ends of my hair. Like this. So I'm going very slowly, as you can see, but I'm like twisting my, you know, hand like this, so that it gives a nice curl like this. I'm not using a mirror, I'm just like styling this and watching myself in front of my viewfinder, so I can't see clearly that much, but you can see like this, it's now curled from the ends, and the hair is still hot. So this is how my hair looks once it's styled using the hot styling brush by Corioliss. So I've unplugged this already and it's still hot, but I'm just going to leave it and let it cool. So basically, as I've mentioned, the price, it comes for 1050 rupees. So I think that is great for that kind of a price, and the size and the weight is not that heavy also for traveling, so it's great. And it comes with this velvet pouch, so that's great. You can like store it inside here. Yeah, and it comes in 3 different colors. One is the black one, and then blue, and I think there's one in peachy pink. I think it's a peach color or pink. In the end, I decided to go for the black one, and I am so far loving it. I've used this like 3-4 times already, and here I've demonstrated how I like to use it as well, so that as you can see, the frizziness is gone. My hair, I've curled it like this as well from the sides. I like to have a side parting, so it's like curled up like this. So I think this is great for any kind of event. So basically, I decided to buy this because as a girl, if I need to go out and about anywhere, I cannot just, you know, like pick up my keys and wallet and just head out of the house. You know, I want my hair to also look nice, my nails to also look nice, you know, like, I mean, it depends person to person, but me, I'm talking about personally me. That I like my hair to look groomed and all. I really like this, and I highly recommend you guys to try this brush out in case you have my kind of a hair texture and you want that frizziness to go away, and at the same time you want to make your hair look groomed. At the same time, it's not too expensive. It's only for 1050 rupees, and it's from a good brand. It's not just unknown Chinese brand, so it's from a good brand, and I'm really loving it so far. And this is great because sometimes I don't always like to blow dry my hair, so most of the time I just like to naturally let my hair dry by itself. But when I let it air dry, my hair becomes very unpresentable, becomes very frizzy. It looks like as if I just came out of the bushes, you know. So, and you want your hair to be wet in order to like blow dry it properly, and you cannot always wet your hair to blow dry, and you not always can use a blow dryer. Sometimes you plan that you're not doing anything that particular day and you let it naturally air dry. Suddenly out of nowhere, a plan happens where you have to go out, catch up with friends, or go for a party out of nowhere, and then you're like looking at yourself at the mirror and then thinking, oh my god, I haven't styled my hair. My hair looks very unkept today. It doesn't look that presentable. So you might just cancel that event that you don't want to go to because your hair is not looking nice, because sometimes that happens with so many girls. Yeah, and I'm really happy that I finally got this for myself, so that ways I am ready to go anywhere, anytime, you know, because I know even though I let it naturally air dry my hair, I have this with me now, so that I can just, you know, style my hair just immediately in 5 to 8 minutes, and then I am done, ready to head out. Yeah, that ways I really like this. I really like hot styling hair tools, which will help save me time and helps me you know, not to stress that much over my hair that ways. And I'm not dependent on any salon. I'm not really depending on anybody to style my hair on top of that. This is very easy to use by yourself, so that's what I really like. And all you need to do is section your dry hair and then use it, and it's like very fast, quick and perfect. You just need a little bit of practice in order to use this, but it is great. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and in case you like this video and you liked me, you know, if this video was helpful for you all, then please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would really mean a lot to me. And comment down below, because I really love to chat with you guys in the comment section. If you have any questions or anything that you want to know regarding this hairbrush or anything regarding makeup, yeah, just comment down below and I will love to talk to you guys and answer your questions.